Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm making a recording on how to create an invoice. I'll take you one-on-one. This is a business PayPal. So the very first thing you need is to log in into a PayPal account. Then the next thing you need to come to these tab tools. Then come to invoicing. Once you click invoicing, we'll come to manage invoice. Then we'll say create invoice. Once you create an invoice, we'll come here and fill in the details. The essence of creating an invoice is when you have people that you've delivered goods or services, and now it's time for payment. You need to inquire payment. You need to send them an invoice. It's an official document. So we will come here. We will come here and see, and we will be able to key in the details who we are billing to. Then we see the, so we'll be able to add the who we are billing to. This is the person that you've delivered service to them or good services. You put their email here. It means that you want the person under this email to pay you. So we'll come here. We'll CC means is a copy. We will want to make an official copy of this document in case evidence is needed. Then we will come here to customize. Maybe we'll see the quantity of hours. Maybe we will remove some details because all of them we need to click allow partial payment, allow customers to add a tip. We are only allowing the customer to pay to add a tip, but no partial payment. So the invoice that we will invoice them means that they should pay exact. So we'll come here and in the item in the items name, we need to remove some details. We need to remove the tax details. We need, okay, the details description is important. Item discount, okay, we need to put the date. The invoice discount, we need to remove it. The shipping, we need to remove also the shipping, so that our invoice will be left by very small details. So we can see here in this arrow where we have add or remove, we are able to remove some details that are not necessary. So our transaction, we are using US dollars. So quantity, it tells us, are we to customize, are we charging the client per the quantity of work, per the hours, or per the amount? We'll just leave it at the quantity. So we'll come here and we are able to fill in the item name or the service that we have delivered. So in the description, we'll be able to describe the issue that we are trying to assist to remove a pioneer limit. In the description link, I have a tutorial that will have attached that talks more about removing pioneer limit. Secondly, we need to put more details about the description of the issue of the service that we have delivered to the client. We are resolving a pioneer limit there that affects the daily transaction. I have in the description link, you'll find a tutorial that I'm talking more about resolving on a Payoneer account and verifying your Payoneer account and verifying global payment service. All are attached in the description link. So the other thing that we'll be able to select the hours, to select the date. The date today is 19th, and it will officially reflect here. Because in the details, when you are removing, we selected that the date is it's compulsory to be here, so that the invoice will be officially as it is dated on a certain date. Quantity, we need only one, maybe one quantity. We need the price. The price is 30 US dollars. Maybe I think we can remove on the quantity. We can remove the quantities because I don't see it being necessary. So the other thing that we need to do is in case we have many goods that we are to invoice a client to pay for them, we'll be able to PayPal is giving me more options, but this time I will cancel them because I basically don't need them. When it comes to these two buttons, when I allow partial payments, it means that I can dictate the amount that I'm allowing this client to pay me. But for this time, I'll not allow any partial payment. I want the payment to be made in full for the $30. The other thing that we need to do is allow customer to add a tip. We'll click in case the customer needs to add more than that. Maybe sometimes you meet without that button means the client can only pay you the specific amount. In case they try to pay you maybe any extra amount, it will not come to it will not be possible since you've not allowed that. So we'll come here note to the client. I'm telling them that I am lifestyle tutorials, a YouTuber who is there to assist to resolve a pioneer issue that affects their daily transaction. And also, in case you use this link here, I will attach it in the description link, and you register for a Pioneer account. You will be able to, once you successfully register and they send you a notification that now you have successfully registered for a Pioneer account, you will have a reward of $25. And I have another link here. Once you come and register Pioneer account and transact up to $1,000, they will pay you fee. Pioneer will give you a reward of $50. All these are in the description link. Ensure you come and register using my affiliate link. So the other thing that we'll be doing, we'll come here and now it's time to preview the invoice. We need to preview it before we officially send it for the client to pay. Okay, it tells me where I dictate the amount of tip that the client should be paying. So this is the main invoice. It looks like this. This is a business PayPal which is under checks export developers. We can see the email. We can confirm the date is okay. We can confirm the amount that the service that the client should be paying. We can see the description. The description describes why the client is paying me, the date, the quantity, the price, the amount, the notes that I've sent to the client. Where and also I've seen everything is there. I think now we are good to go. It's time to send this invoice. But it's telling me where we said about add a tip. We clicked the yes button. It's tell me to state what percentage I need the client to pay me, to in case they need to add a tip. We'll come here and edit that. We remove that button. We don't need the client to add any more tip apart from the required amount that they are supposed to pay. So we'll come now and preview it again and confirm that everything is okay. So the client, now I'm sure now it's okay. We can see even the CC. The CC means a copy to. I think now we'll be good to send to the client. Once we send, they will receive the notification in the PayPal account. It tells me that you sent a invoice 005, and this is the invoice. We can see it's saying that it's unpaid. We can anytime the client does, maybe they might take a longer time to pay, I will be sending them reminders. So I think now we are good to go. Our tutorial today was how to create an invoice using business PayPal account. Ensure maybe if you visit my description link. If you need any assistance, visit me via my official Gmail account, njogukarongo@gmail.com. If you appreciate the content that I'm making, kindly, you are in the description link. You'll find a PayPal link or a Pioneer link where you can donate something towards promoting the content that I'm creating. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Thank you.